Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick share. I did my unboxing of my monthly Die Hard club kit that I get from the Stamps of Life, and it always comes with an inspiration card as well as the stamp set and the die set that matches. If you haven't seen any of my unboxing of these Die Hard kits before, I will leave a playlist here. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thanks for supporting me. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. Please consider liking and subscribing and sharing this video. So I will be back with some samples. I forgot to mention also there was included a free gift, and it's the word hi with the shadow die, and it's for being a club member. Thank you. So I am finally back to share with you what my samples were that I made with my Die Hard kit, and let's see. So I stamped out a bunch of the, not a bunch, but I stamped out this vase here, or the water fountain, and I stamped out all of the creatures, so the 3 birds and the butterfly. I then colored them with my Spectrum Noir markers, and I then die cut them out with the shadow dies. I cut the fountain out with the shadow die, but I didn't like all the white around it, so then I just ended up trimming it out with my scissors. But the birds, I used the actual die to, and the butterfly, I didn't use the shadow on that. And then for the bushes, I used the extra tree part, the shadow die and the tree part from the 5x7 folded tree card. And so that's what I used for these bushes. And look, I did sneak my little Mickey head in here. And then I can't find what set this is. If you know, let me know in the description, in the comments below. But it is a Stamps of Life set, and we did get it club card kit previously. I just can't find which one it was. And then I added these rhinestone jemmies, and that is going to complete my cards. So there they are. Yeah, and so by now, of course, my club kit has already come in, so watch for that unboxing. If you guys are new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate you stopping by. For more videos like these, see here. Until my next video, shakas.